Hey, y'all see what's going on, man? Hit this little inspect element for manifestation purposes. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Hey, you gotta, before you know what you want, you gotta see what you want, man. Let's turn up. It's coming soon. But we want to say this and do more. Keep getting to the action. Let's go. YouTube, welcome back to another video. Eddie Scott Saylor said, hey, y'all get a little day in the life action. As y'all see, Saylas Nola in the building. About to take her for a quick walk, get some exercise. One of y'all asked me the other day, somebody said, what are the best investments that I should make? And they were just talking like from a financial perspective in terms of like stocks and whatnot. So I just wanted to make a quick video for y'all as an entrepreneur, right? What are the best investments that you can make? And let's call it under $1,000. It really doesn't take much to be successful in life, to really get your life moving and going, right? So what are the best investments that you should make? I heard Alex Hormozy say the other day, before you invest in the S&P, you got to invest in the SME. Invest in yourself. And that sounds cliche, but so many people ask like, oh, should I invest in this index fund? Should I invest in this stock? But their mindset is not properly prepared to get the results that they want to get. So in today's video, what are the 3 best investments that you can make in yourself? Number 1 is time investments. What's an example? Number 1 is learning, right? If you want to increase your earning capacity, you got to increase your learning capacity, right? So whether it's watching the YouTube videos, listening to the podcast, reading the books, the first 2 YouTube videos, podcasts, literally for free. You can change your whole life just by listening to one YouTube channel every single day or one podcast every single day that's teaching you game, that's giving you the principles and the steps you need to take to be successful. Really focus on learning. When you increase your learning capacity, you're going to increase your earning capacity. Another thing too is just thinking. So many people say, oh, I want to be a millionaire. I want to have this, I want to have that. But yet they don't even put in the time to think about what they really want. A lot of people think about the physical material things. They say, oh, I want a Lamborghini. But they don't think about the steps that they need to take to get that Lamborghini. They put it on their vision board. They think so much about the actual goal that they don't think about the steps that they need to take to get there. So think about, what do you really want to do with your life? What is your purpose, right? Not so much what do you want to get, but what are you going to give to get what you want to get? You are rewarded in this life in direct proportion to the amount of value that you provide. So number 1 investment you can make is in yourself, in your learning. Number 2, let's get into the fun stuff. And I like to call this section audience building. A business is not a business without customers. The number 1 skill that you can have is audience building. So the number 2 investment that you can make is in your personal brand. So this is more than just like mindset, investing in yourself, but like actually investing in yourself, investing in your brand. You are a brand. Whether you got like a business or a clothing brand, whatever it may be, you are a brand. So invest in your personal brand. And in 2023, the number 1 way to do that is through content. Content is king. So many people want to start businesses, but they don't invest in content. In today's day and age with social media, nobody's going to find out about you if you're not posting content, right? And content is more than just TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Content could be you showing up to events. Content could be you networking with people. However, you are marketing your personal brand to the world, that is content. So make sure you are creating content consistently that shows who you are, what you're about, and that's attracting a certain target audience to you. One hack that you could do when it comes to audience building for your personal brand is view Instagram profile ads, right? So let's say you post 100 posts and you on average get 100 likes. One of them gets 10,000 likes. Now go ahead and put like $5 a day behind that post that got 10,000 likes and really just turn up with it. Go ahead and promote that, and it will show it to people in your demographic, in your target audience, right? And it will bring more people to you faster than regular organic would. That's really a quick way to just boost your online presence, build your personal brand quickly, get followers, and more than followers, you want fans. You want people who know, like, and trust you for you. And that's going to lead into the third thing, which is investing in your business. Before you go invest in Apple or Tesla or another business, invest in your own business. Whether you have a product that you're selling, if you have a service, just really invest in that business, right? Build the systems, build the procedures that's going to make that business successful. Invest time in really building the foundation of that business. And just like with the personal brand, figure out how that business is going to provide value to people. You can't just sell a product or a service to somebody if it's not directly making somebody's life better. And then financially, invest into audience building. As I said with the personal brand, invest into audience building. The number one way to invest in audience building for your business is, in my opinion, building a text list. You do not want to be 100% reliant on social media. I remember there was one day, I think it was like a year ago, when literally all of Facebook and Instagram servers got shut down. So if you rely completely on social media to get traffic for your business, then you are at the mercy of these social media platforms. But if you have a text list, an email list, you're building a reliable customer database, then you have hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, eventually millions of people that you can reach on command. So whether you're selling a product, you say, hey, we got a new drop, or this is on sale, or you have a service and you say, hey, we're accepting 10 new clients this week, whatever it may be, really have a direct audience of people that you can impact, that you can reach out to, that you can connect with, and that you're providing value to. Don't always ask. But like my man Gary Vee says, jab, right hook. Give, and give some more. And then finally, when it's time to ask, your audience that you've been providing value to will be more than happy to do business with you because they know that you have their best interests in mind. So with that being said, those are the 3 best investments that you should be making, especially when you're young, or really no matter how old you are, no matter what you're doing. They don't really cost so much money. I know a lot of people say it takes money to make money, and in a sense it does, but really it takes value to make money. Money is a direct result of value. So focus on providing value to your target audience, and you'll see the money come in quickly. So with that being said, that's the end of the video. Hey, what you guys say to the people? Hey, if y'all wasn't taking notes, I don't know what to tell you. But hey, we out here. Leave a like, YouTube algorithm, subscribe, comment. Be on the lookout. Let me know what other video ideas you want me to talk about next. We out here. Let's get it.